Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. So you guys showed some interest in wanting to see me do unboxings for the Noble Wands. So I'm going to be doing those on my channel now. So this would be my first dedicated video to a Noble Wand unboxing. So if you're not familiar with Noble Wands, it's a wand subscription box. So basically you get a new wand every single month, and they are resin wands with an iron core, I think, or I'm pretty sure it's an iron core. Whatever it is, it's sturdy. This is the new wand for, I believe this one's for January 2019. The first one that I got, okay, is right here. And this one came in a Geek Gear box, just like this. And then in the same month, I got another one in a box, and this came in the Geek Gear Special Edition, Wizardry Special Edition. So yeah, that's where these two came from. And then, so this will be actually my third wand from Noble Wands, but my first dedicated unboxing for the wand itself. So let's take a look at the box first. As you can see, it has some nice designs in the corners, and there's the logo right here. It's a black box. I really do like the design of this box. And now if we open it up, let's see what obviously we have the card, and this is gonna tell me a lot about the wand. And then the wand itself is right here. Gotta pop this out. There we go. So, wow, this is a really cool, intricately designed looking wand. I like this. It has a couple of feathers connected to it right here. I don't know, those could be like phoenix feathers or something. The actual like handle has like designs in it. It looks like it's carved out of wood. And then the wand itself looks like it's actually just like a stick, I guess you would say. Like it's actually just like a wood wand that hasn't been carved. So yeah, this is a good wand. Now, one thing I will say that I noticed about my other wand that came from Noble Wands right here, this is the first one I got, and I was looking at it today, and it has a bit of a bow in it now. And I don't know if it had that to begin with, because I didn't check to see if it was straight or not. If I look this way, just kind of like down the end of the wand right here, I can see as I turn it that the tip is sort of off a bit. So yeah, it definitely does have a bit of a warp. And once I noticed that, I opened up the other wand that I got from Noble Wands. And that is this one right here. This one came in the Geek Gear Special Edition, and I was turning it, and this one also looks like it has a very slight bow in it. And I don't know if they may have both just come like this with a very, very small warp. It's, like I said, hardly noticeable, but it is there. I've decided to check these wands as they come in and see if they have a bow in them. And if they don't, then I'm just going to put them away and maybe a month later take another look and see if there's a bow in it. But yeah, this one looks like it is straight. So this one is perfectly straight. Like I said, I'm gonna set it aside. I'm gonna put it back in the box, and then I will check it again in about a month. And if there is a bow, when I go back to look, I will let you guys know in the next Noble Wand unboxing. But anyways, the card right here, this wand is called Fraxinus Wand, and it is 13.5 inches with a Vela hair core, and its wood type is ash. The cool thing about Noble Wands, and the reason that I really want to keep getting these wands, is because every single wand is an original design, so you won't find these anywhere else. And yeah, and every wand comes with a card that tells you all the information about it. So these are actually pretty cool, and I love that they come in a box. Anyways, that is the wand for this video. Let me know if you guys liked this wand. I actually really did enjoy this wand. I guess for me, the wand could have gone without the feathers, but that's as easy as just untying the ribbon, and then you don't have the feathers on the wand anymore. So I'll probably do that if I ever take this out somewhere. But it's going in my Noble Wand collection, so I'm going to have a collection of these wands just building up somewhere. Anyways, I'll leave a link in the description box to Noble Wands if you want to subscribe to the service. If you'd like to see other Harry Potter related videos, including unboxings and primarily DIY videos, you can subscribe to my channel and check out my past videos. Let me know what you thought of this wand, and thank you so much for watching. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.